Hello, everyone. Good day, good day. This is Misha and James with Connecting Kindly out here on this beautiful morning, beautiful sunshine. Let you guys see. We were okay. All right. So James is talking, but want to come out here today, and we want to show you first. You want to show them the sweet potatoes. We're going to go ahead and do another container. We were going to video before, but I kind of messed my footage up. James, come on over here and show them what you have already. Okay, yeah. So, guys, hope everybody's doing blessed and well. You know, he's harvesting. Okay, so...
That's some of the dirt from the other container.
Yeah. So, if you look here, this is the first set of sweet potatoes James was able to harvest. He had some good size one. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, had some good size ones, and then he had some small ones as usual. But so he just wanted to show you those. This is the mess that he made right here. He got to clean up. Okay, so what he's doing now, if you can see here, the vines have begun to die off.
On those haven't, because
these here are still doing good. These were planted later, but on those other two original bins, all the vines have begun to die off. So what he's doing now is just clearing back the vines, and I think he found one that, he found a little bitty baby that tunneled down. Some of them, you know, when we moved the containers, they had actually tunneled down and were up under the container. So we had a few, what is what? Oh, that bean?
Oh, the snake or something.
Is it green?
Like a little snake or a squirrel. What you call them things?
Oh, okay. I think we have a lizard, guys. Let's take a look and
Lizard
see.
or snake or something. That's a little lizard.
Yep. Is he alive? Oh, yeah. There he goes. Okay. Little lizard.
Rock right there.
Okay. James scared me for a minute. He don't play about no snakes.
I couldn't tell what it was.
Okay. So let me get out of James' way and let's see how he did with this container. Yep. There he's tearing up his container again. Okay. So he dumped that container out. Let's see what he's got. All right.
I go sit this over.
Okay, guys. All right, guys. Let's see. So I don't see anything. I see a lot of root system.
Yeah, we'll see.
So let's stand right here, guys, so we can see if James got anything. Okay, so there's one small one. There's another small one. Another small one. Hopefully he can surprise him, and hopefully he'll have a few big ones in there. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Small ones. Regardless of the size, they are edible. So we're going to be thankful for what we get. Okay, so he's going to go take those, and then he's going to come back and finish filling through his soil really good. As you can see, down there we've got to clean out that. We've got some beans still growing, but mainly we're using those for seed. Okay, guys, let's see what he's got. Got some more small ones.
A little bacon for the kid, for the grandkids.
Yeah. Probably be good for some, you know, some people take sweet potatoes and put them in soup, so might be able to use it for that.
Oops, I didn't mean to break it like that.
Okay, let's see what he gets. I think next year he said he was going to put more bigger containers and probably put more nutrients and stuff into the soil so that we can get a better harvest. Okay, so he's feeling through there really good just to see if he hasn't missed anything. Yeah, the tomatoes are just still bearing better than ever right now. Yep, so they're doing good. Yeah, that cold weather is helping them out. Yep, James is tearing up those containers again. All right, so he's going to move some of his... Yep, tearing it up. Okay. All right, so that's that second container there. Let's see if he did better in this batch.
I don't think so.
Let's see. Got some little medium-sized ones there. All right, he's feeling around. Oh, That's a good size. Let's see. He's laying him to the side, babe.
All right.
All right, he's feeling around. Make sure he don't miss anything. You got anything? Got a lot of roots.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of wondered if we needed to trim back some of those vines so more of the nutrients could have went to the potatoes, but we got to research on that. So he has that
I'll
little
come out and take it.
that little handful
No,
there.
I got some more.
He said
That's what I got so far.
he felt some more.
Walk over there. I'll bring him over there.
All right.
You can walk over there.
People like to see you digging through there, though.
Oh,
Let's
through the
see.
dirt.
Yeah, they like to see you digging through the dirt. Let's see what you got. Anything else? Come on, at least have one more. Sweet potato hunt, sweet potato hunt.
And sometimes I think this may be growing in the ground.
Yeah, so feel through there really good. You got a big mess to clean up, sir, because I told him to use a tarp. But James is hard-headed. Okay, did you get all of them?
I think so. I don't feel them there. You
Okay.
can take a picture of that.
All
I'll
right.
do them other two later.
All right, guys. So, what'd you break?
Oh, they're just them.
Okay. All right. So, not a real big harvest, but overall, let's go take a look and see what we got so far. And if you look here, he's got some little bitty ones there on top. But so this is what we got overall so far this year. So we got a few big ones, and then we've got a lot of little small ones. But we still have these containers. And James is already messing
I put
around in
one out
there,
there,
and he found one he pulled out.
So,
So we're gonna let these here go a little bit longer, but he can already feel some in that container. So
I just pulled this out.
yeah, he just pulled it out. So, but anyway, guys, this was that little sweet potato harvest there. You know, wasn't real big, but just overall, we have gotten. So, how many pounds do you think that is, James?
I don't know.
Maybe 10 pounds. So it's still good, you know. Still something that we grew.
For free.
Yep, we grew it free. We didn't cost us any money. We know what we put into it, so we know that it's good and healthy. Yep. So anyway, guys, I am cooking, so I had to stop and try to come out here and help James. He's got some beans down there that he's picking. He's using those for seed.
I'm just saying, look how much these I might take these to eat. So maybe I'm out of here.
Yep. So we have a lot of.
He's got a lot of beans, so
Yeah, a lot of beans. So do you have any words of wisdom for everybody?
try to grow something
Try to grow something.
and teach the children how to grow something.
All right, you guys see inflation, see what's going on. But all right, this has been Misha and
I don't worry
James.
about inflation. I'm still going
All right, yep, we're connecting kindly, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment. Guys, be blessed. Tell them bye, James.
to see y'all later.